Right, here we are again. The notorious Nissan Navara that allegedly snaps in half, and I'm doing a bit of wax or preventative maintenance on the chassis. So let's pop over and I'll show you what we're up to. So I've just picked this one up, and I've picked it up, chose this one because the chassis doesn't look too bad. And what I'm doing, I'm giving it a spray over because we're in the middle of winter, so I'm not doing too good a job. And I'm using the old product placement. I don't get sponsored for this. So I'm using a mix of wax oil with a bit of engine oil and a bit of thinners. So I don't know if you can hear. So it's thinned it out. And then to apply it, put it on there like that. That's one side I've done, and here's the side I haven't treated yet. And you can see under there, it's not too bad, you know. For a 11-year-old vehicle, I think it's pretty good. And what you're using is a paraffin sprayer. So I just got this hooked up to a compressor. And then when I go in there, hopefully from that you can see how easy it is to get a coat on, and it also makes it go a bit further. It uses up some old engine oil. So this is just a quick spray over. I'm going to go around all the wheel arches, curl under the back, do the middle of the chassis. But this isn't looking bad, to be honest. By the way, if you do your homework and have a look at pickups, it's not just the Nissans that snap in half. It's any Japanese pickup. If you start overloading it, towing heavy loads, and you don't look after the back chassis, they all snap in half. They've all got issues when you look on the forums. So whatever you've got, give it a good spray of oil or paraffin or wax oil, and look after it. Here we are, less than an hour later, and I'll show you how it's gone. Come over to the rear of the truck, giving it a couple of sprays over, and you can see it's, I think it's gone on quite well. Got the worst of it covered up for the winter. The other advantage with using the spray gun method of application is if you have left any dirt on, there's bits of dirt on, the pressure of the spray tends to blow the dirt off as well. So that's a nice thin coating. When I've looked at it, we've probably only used, I've been all underneath as well. I've done the chassis on both sides. I've done under the wings. And I've probably only used about half a litre of wax oil. I haven't done the sills, down the sills very well. So when the summer comes, we've got the chassis sorted. That's the main issue with pickups. When the summer comes, I'll give it a good jet wash off underneath, and then I'll give it proper wax oil all over to sort it out. So hopefully this will give me years of service. Quick disclaimer, this isn't really the correct way on the side of the container to apply wax oil. It says to mix 20% with white spirit. So I've got in my eyes now. 20% with white spirit if the weather's a bit cold, but I mix it up with white spirit. I throw a bit of engine oil in, and I think on pickups that the issue is doing nothing isn't an option. Doing something is better than doing nothing. It's no good just keeping your fingers crossed. So whatever you've got, do something with it, get a bit of spray on it, sort it out. Hope this has been a little bit of use for you, and I'll see you next time. Give us a thumbs up and a like.